What does the product tanker carries? The type of cargo the product tankers are going to carry will be classified into CPP and DPP. What is CPP? It is the clean petroleum products. The clean petroleum products are nothing but which are more refined and which are more volatile. The example will be gasoline, jet fuel, kerosene. These are all called as the clean petroleum products. And the next category which is going to carry will be your dirty petroleum products. The dirty petroleum products are heavy fuel oil, engine oil. Those will come under the heavy petroleum products. The next will be seeing the size of the tanker. Based on the size, you can classify the tankers again. The size of the tanker will be set in terms of DWT, and based on it, we will classify again the tankers as 3 max tankers and 2 super tankers. What does that max means? The max refers to the maximum size limit of the ship which can pass through the canal. So there are 3 max tankers which are Panamax, Suezmax and your Aframax, and 2 super tankers, they are VLCC and ULCC. What does VLCC stands for? It is the very large crude carriers, and ULCC stands for ultra large crude carriers. The ULCC and VLCC, it is considered to be longer than your aircraft carriers. Now we will see one by one. What does the Panamax stands for? Panamax, it is the largest type of tanker which can transport, carry the crude in the through the Panama Canal, and the size of the tanker will be between 55,000 DWT to 80,000 DWT, and the oil carrying capacity will be 5 lakhs barrels in one voyage. And also it is mainly used to carry the refined petroleum products. Okay, the next will be your Aframax. Afra stands for Average Freight Rate Assessment. It was established in the year 1954 by the Shell Oil to standardize the shipping contract terms. What is the size of this tanker? It will be varying from 80,000 DWT to 1,20,000 DWT. This tanker is considered to be favorable for transporting the oil in many of the ports, because the VLCC and ULCC are considered to be very longer. So this tanker, that is Aframax, can be used in offshore oil terminals as well as many ports where they cannot accommodate ULCC or VLCC. That is one advantage of this. And the carrying capacity of the oil is 6 lakh barrels in one voyage. Mostly it will be used by the non-OPEC countries. So you should know what is a OPEC country. OPEC stands for Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. There are 12 countries in the OPEC organization. Rest of the countries will come under the category of non-OPEC. So this Aframax will be used in the basis of Mediterranean Sea, Caribbean Sea, China Sea and your Black Sea. Next tanker will be the third type of your max tankers will be the Suezmax. The Suezmax tankers, it is nothing but the tanker which is going to pass through a Suez Canal. The size of the tanker will be 1,20,000 DWT to 1,60,000 DWT, and the carrying capacity of the ship, how much oil it is going to carry. It can transport actually both your refined petroleum product as well as the crude oil. So it can carry up to 10 lakh barrels of oil, and this is about the Suezmax. And the next type of tanker is the 2 super tankers which we have seen is the VLCC and your ULCC. VLCC is called as the very large crude carriers.